Let's talk about how to find the equation of perpendicular lines. We have here the x and y axis. If we have a line leaning towards the right, and this has a positive slope, this L1, line 1, and we have a perpendicular line, this line, which is L2. And if we have M1 as the slope for the first line, we have also M2 for the slope, the second line, the perpendicular line. This is perpendicular due to it forms a 90 degrees angle in the intersection of line 1 and line 2. So if we want to know the slope of the perpendicular line, M2, this is equals to negative 1 over M1, or the negative reciprocal of the slope of the first line. So if we have our first slope, M1 as 4, our M2 is equals to negative 1/4. And if our M1 is negative 4, our slope is positive 1/4 for M2. And if our M1 is 1 over 6, our M2 is negative 6. If our M1 is 3 over 5, 3/5, our M2 is negative 5 over 3. These are just examples of slopes of perpendicular lines. For example, we have find the equation of the line perpendicular to y equals 3x plus 1 that passes through the points 2, 3. Our M1 here is 3. So our M2, the slope of the perpendicular line, is equals to negative 1/3. And we can use the point slope form. So we have y minus y1 equals M2 times quantity x minus x1. So substitute, we can use the 0.2 for x and 3 for y, and this is sloped here. So y minus 3 equals 1/3 times x minus 2. And to get this out, this 3 here in the denominator, we can multiply the whole equation by 3. So can multiply this one, and this is 3 times y is 3y, 3 times 3 is 9, minus 9. Then this cancel. If you multiply this one, it will cancel, so negative 1. If you distribute this negative, so negative x, and this one becomes positive 2, so 3y minus 9 equals negative x plus 2. We can transpose this 9 here to the right side of the equation, so 3y equals negative x plus 2 plus 9, and 2 plus 9 is 11, so 3y equals negative x plus 11, and transpose this negative x to the left side of the equation. We have this x plus 3y equals 11, and this is the equation of the line perpendicular to y equals 3x plus 1 that passes through the point 2, 3. So to plot the graph, the first point is the y-intercept for the first line. This is 0, 1. And if we move 1 unit to the right, we must go up 3 units. So we have this 1, 4. And if we connect these points, we have this line y equals 3x plus 1. And the perpendicular line passes through the point 2, 3. So we have this 2, 3. We go to the right 3 units. We must go down 1 unit. So we have this point 5, 2. And if we connect this point, this is our line x plus 3y equals 11.